Love someone and they'll just give you hell.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing awesome. If this is your first time, you're very welcome. I hope you subscribe and join the family. So today's video is another collaboration with RPGSHOW. That's all the goodies that the box came with. It also came with a magazine as well. And this is the unit straight out of the box. I did go ahead to frizz it out with my fingers. It came naturally curled. So I noticed that they included a wig cap, and this is their Glueless Fit 2.0 wig cap. Now, honestly, guys, when I put this on my head, I was so confused, but looking at the clips now, I can see a line, like a pattern on the wig cap, and I'm supposed to cut the lace, cut the extra lace in that pattern, if that makes sense. So this is basically going to help your wig lay flat, especially if you like glueless installs. Then that wig cap will be perfect because it's kind of tailored to suit the hairline of their wigs, if that makes sense. And if you know anything about RPGSHOW and their hairlines, they're very natural looking because it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. So I see why that wig cap will work for that kind of lace or the kind of hairline. Now, the reason I didn't use it is because this unit itself, I felt like it was a little too tight or too snug on my forehead, or my head, not my forehead. And granted, I could have worn this unit glueless, but I was heading out to the beach and I just did not want my lace to lift. However, this is the first time I'm having this experience with RPGSHOW. Most of my wigs, actually, I take that back, all of my wigs from them are like the perfect cap size. I do have a small to medium head size, so just putting this out there, if you have a medium to large head size, I recommend going up a size, but the cap sizing, or maybe like order a customized size, because I struggled to kind of pull the lace to lay down a bit. So yeah, in my next install, I'll definitely use the wig cap. So yeah, just wanted to get that out the way. Now I'm going to tell you guys specs on this unit. So this unit is called the Sophia the Wig Stylist 012. I got this unit in 16 inches. And like I mentioned, is a 13x6 glueless Swiss lace front wig. The density is 200%. And the knots on this unit are invisible, and it literally gives scalp, and it's like a sandy brown and like a blonde mix. I feel like I have this exact unit but in a longer length, if that makes sense, because it looks so much like one of my favorite units and one of my most complimented units from RPGSHOW. Now, I could have gone in with like my curling iron to give it like a body wave feel, but I don't know, I was feeling like a straight look today, so I went in with this hot comb, or no, not hot comb, a thermal brush, not a straightener, just to kind of give it like to take out the texture basically. And it was so easy. It took the heat really well. I was actually going in chunky sections, and I was just not even being as patient as I typically will be, because I was in a rush. And I feel like it still got like a good press. Overall, this hair did not come with any smell. RPGSHOW, their wigs typically don't come with any smell. I did experience just a little bit of shedding. However, I feel like it was more noticeable because the hair isn't black. So I don't think it was like crazy shedding. It's just because I was wearing a black top, and you know, black and blonde, you're gonna find 1 or 2 strands of hair. Yeah, that's it. And again, it's bleached hair, so I don't expect it to not shed. Our hair sheds all the time, so guys, it's not that deep. Overall, it was actually really easy to install. It felt super duper soft. It had a lot of body and movement to it even after I straightened it.
Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves.
And can you guys see that hairline? Oh my goodness. This is one thing that gets me with RPGSHOW, the hairline, and in person, the lace looks really good as well. So yeah, I will give this unit a solid 9.5 out of 10, only because I just felt like the cap size was not my ideal cap size. Besides that, absolutely perfect. It's like, this color is my color. This color is just so gorgeous on me. So yeah, I'll leave all the information in the caption, and I highly recommend you check it out. I also have a coupon code, and that is Sharon, to get $100 off this unit. Highly recommend, guys. It's so gorgeous, and I think it will look great on any skin tone because it has like this ombre effect. So the roots are dark brown, and I just think it will blend perfectly with whatever skin tone you are. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate it. God bless. Bye, guys.
Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Baby, I just wanna treat you well. Hope you don't leave nothing but a shell. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you. You know I'd do anything. I'll send signs but subliminally. Think of you till I fall asleep. We can be together but I just can't believe it. Loving you, I'm singing so many songs but not for you, and I could see you falling for me. Days they come and go as they please. If you wanna just be honest and say so. Say you want me, let go. I've been feeling the same things. Oh, you're just waiting. Doesn't matter where we go. I'll be for it. Love someone and they'll just give you hell. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Maybe this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you warm lights on cold nights. Doesn't it feel right when we wake up, make love? I feel so paralyzed, choices I don't even want. Ooh, if you wanna just be honest and say so. Say you want me, let go. I've been feeling the same things. Oh, you're just waiting. Doesn't matter where we go. I'll be for it. Love someone and they'll just give you